Markets never sleep, but corporate records never lie. Quant Pulse terminal is active. We are scanning today's whale activity. This is the signal we've been waiting for. There's a strong enterprise entry from NVDA and AMD. Remember, we run this scan right before the market opens or after the daily close. Why? Because we want to see where the smart money settle their positions. We are looking for confirmed daily breakouts, not intraday noise. Scanning complete. Data is secure. Determine your strategy. Today, the terminal is focusing on two major tech giants, NVIDIA and AMD. Look at the terminal output. The RSI for NVIDIA is at 49.3, meaning the price isn't inflated and still has room to breathe. But the really important note is on the right, strong momentum and volume. When we look at the chart, we see that the terminal was right. While the price is in a contracting triangle, there's a significant increase in the volume bars. This is evidence that the big players are quietly expanding their positions. A breakout may be on the horizon. Terminal Bugun iki biotechnology devin dikkat sekiyor. NVIDIA v AMD. Terminal siktasina bakın. AMD isen RSI 41.2 seviyesinde. Yani fiyat sismemiz. Hala nefs alakak alani var vve kok wygun pozisyonda üstelik gabada var alakak. Ank asalo nemli olun sagdaki not. Strong momentum and volume. Terminal Bugun iki biotechnology devin dikkat sekiyor. NVIDIA v AMD. Terminal siktasina bakın. AMD isen RSI 41.2 seviyesinde. Yani fiyat sismemiz. Hala nefs alakak alani var vve kok wygun pozisyonda üstelik gabada var alakak. Ank asalo nemli olun sagdaki not. Strong momentum and volume. Now let's take a closer look at one of the strongest signals from our terminal, Microsoft. As you can see in our code output, the RSI value of Microsoft has dropped to 31.0. Technically, this means it has retreated from the brink of the oversold zone. However, we're not talking about an ordinary drop here. The reason for this drop is to fill the gap that has formed and has given a signal of a sharp upward reversal. Focusing on the chart, you can see how the price is holding onto the large support band at $393. At this point, the terminal issued a large investor entry alert. Note that while the price is moving sideways, upward wicks are beginning to form in the volume bars below. This is the clearest evidence that large funds and large investors are quietly accumulating their stock, and weak hands are exiting in panic. In other words, an accumulation process. When the first resistance at $425 is broken, all the conditions will be right for the sharp breakout movement predicted by the terminal. Sarada Google, Yani Alphabet Bar. Google in Grafiji. Microsoft a Gor Baraz Daha Comply Bir Hikaye Anlataya. Hatalasanais. Subat Basinda Fiat Zervia Park and RSI Terrafinda Bir Bearish Divergence Yani Negative Uyum Suzluk Yaklamist. İSBU Yazdan Terminalimiz BZO Gunlodu Yamisti. Looking at the current situation, we see that the price is searching for equilibrium in the $324 pivot region. The fact that the RSI in our terminal data has risen to 43.7 indicates that the intense selling pressure is now cooling down. The most critical point in the chart is the psychological support band of $296 to $300 below. If whales continue to protect this region, the strong momentum warning on the terminal could trigger a V reversal in price. Our strategy for Google is clear. Sustained price above $321 will confirm the terminal's match signal. On the other hand, not every low price is an opportunity. Our terminal is giving a red alert for Bitcoin and Solana. Oversold, high risk. RSI values are hovering around the 20s. Many amateur investors might jump in here thinking the price has become too cheap. However, the terminal's warning is clear, no whale entry yet. This means there is panic selling, but no institutional support has yet emerged. Instead of trying to catch a falling knife, waiting for a green light in the terminal volume data would be the smartest way to protect our capital. Free terminal code and BIST Global Analysis version 1.0. The link to this code is currently available in the pinned comment of the video and in our community section. However, there is a restriction. The system only keeps the link open to users who are subscribed to the channel and have activated notifications. If you cannot see the link, check your subscription and refresh the page.